Hello friends, hi, this is Ganesh Naik. I help finance professionals and students to excel in their career and become a better version of themselves. And I also help students to plan and clear the CFN FRM exam in the first attempt. Now, this video is for particularly for those students who could not clear their May 2021 FRM Level 1 exam and they're planning for the next attempt, which is in the May 2022. Okay, now first of all, if you're planning to do that, if you're planning to immediately go for the May 2022 exam, please make sure that you have sufficient time to prepare. That means you should have at least 2 to 3 hours. If you're a working professional, okay, you need to have those times every single day, okay, and plus the weekends to prepare for the exam. This is the first thing that you have to consider. The second thing that ideally you should consider is that what was the major challenges or major problem that led to your failure in the last result. Okay, was it primarily that you were not able to solve the questions in the timely manner in the exam? Okay, so how do you resolve that issue? So first identify all the problems that led to the failure and see, when you go for this attempt, do we have a plan or do we have a solution for those problems? Say for example, time management was an issue. So now when you're preparing for the exam, okay, every question bank that you're solving, every single question that you're solving, okay, try to make sure that you don't exceed that 2-minute timeline. Okay, so time management not only while solving the mock papers but also while solving the chapter wise questions. Okay, so you need to have a solution for that issue. Second, if suppose you felt that my issue was that I did not solve the question bank enough number of questions. Okay, so now over here, now for the next attempt, do we have a proper source of question bank? Okay, and do we have proper time enough to solve those question banks? Okay, that is also to be thought. Okay, because if you solve a question bank for each chapter, at least 1 to 2 hours is going to take for each chapter solving question bank. Okay, further, suppose if you felt that there was some issue with respect to some concepts in a particular chapter and those concepts itself were tested in the exam. Okay, so then what is the step that you are going to take in this exam? Say for example, after reading Swedger, okay, to improve your conceptual understanding, you're going and reading the GAR book. Okay, so that is primarily a step that can help you to resolve the issue. Okay, further, a lot of students they felt that they were not able to follow the schedule properly, or they were not able to read the chapters in a particular manner, and they were not able to connect things. Okay, so do we have a proper schedule this time to prepare and go for the exam? So in a nutshell, what I'm trying to highlight is that please identify your problems or challenges which led to the failure. Okay, you are the best judge. Okay, and then try to see, if I'm going for this attempt, what is a different thing that I'm going to do to address those problems? If you don't have an answer for that, there's no point going for the November exam. Okay, because you will put the money, you will invest your time, but you're not doing something different. You're not solving the problem. Okay, so please friends who are going for the next attempt, please keep this in mind, and I hope in this next attempt you will be able to clear the exam properly. Okay, if you need any guidance, any help, any support, then definitely you can reach out to me on my WhatsApp number, and I can help you out to strategize something as per my availability of time, and I can guide you whenever possible. Thank you very much, guys.